Hello guys, in today's video we have Oukitel's latest game changer on the rugged smartphone market with the flagship-grade Dimensity 8050 chipset that offers supreme gaming, 120Hz refresh rate display paired with up to 24GB RAM. There is also 512GB of internal memory, 108MP flagship camera with infrared night vision option, 11,000 mAh huge battery with 120W rapid charging. Let's not forget a beautiful additional rear screen and much more. Be sure to watch this Oukitel WP30 Pro video review and learn more about this beast. Now let's start with unboxing and see what we have in the box. This is our smartphone. We will put it aside for a bit. There is a paperwork, WP30 Pro user manual, written in many different languages, warranty certificate. There is USB-C charging cable and a 120W super fast charger that can charge this 11,000 mAh large battery from 0 to 50% in just 50 minutes. Okay, now that we explore the contents of this package, it's time to move on to our smartphone. Oukitel, the prominent Chinese smartphone manufacturer, has released its long-awaited flagship, the Oukitel WP30 Pro rugged smartphone, and today is here with us on the review. What can we say? Right away we can see that this is a premium smartphone of excellent design and of course the same characteristics. The WP30 Pro is very stylish for outdoor smartphone. It is dressed in black with the silver metallic shapes on the frame and the plastic back with hints of a carbon texture. There is no fingerprint on the back and it also scratch resistant. The camera unit is highlighted on the back next to the secondary display. The three camera sensors, LED and the infrared light are located there to the left and right to the second screen. The WP30 Pro is of course a large and not very light smartphone, which is clearly visible in your pocket, and it also feels quite massive in the hand. The 6.78-inch screen, 11,000 mAh battery and protective measures cannot of course be implemented without a large case, but this is perfect clear to buyers of this type of phone. Its distinct appearance makes it a real eye-catcher, sure to turn heads whatever you go with it. This backside is pleasant to the touch and rest assured you will never see your fingerprints on it again. On the very side of the grey metal frame that exudes robustness and strength we find these metal perforated buttons, very pleasant to the touch. It is volume up and down button, and below it is a power button with a really fast fingerprint unlock option. On the opposite side, in the metal frame, there is this orange programmable button here, which can be customized to perform various functions with the phone or compatible applications. This button can be activated with the one click, double click and the long press. So this one button has three different functions according to your wishes. At the very bottom we can see a waterproof port for two SIM cards. Moving to the bottom of the phone, protected by rubber cap to maintain the IP68 waterproof rating, you will find the USB-C charging port. Right next to it we have very loud speaker grills, and on the top we also have such speakers. So the WP30 Pro has two stereo speakers that, take my word for it, are brutally loud, great for party or watching movies. Everything seems very nice and well made in the detail. In short, the smartphone seems really reliable in every aspect. For the front screen is larger than average at 6.78 inches and offers media content on a large screen area. The front camera is located in the center part with a hole and has a resolution of up to 13.2 megapixel and truly superb camera for selfies, video calls with of course face unlock recognition. The IPS panel is also slightly longer than usual, with a full HD resolution of 2460 by 1080 pixels. The WP30 Pro achieves the pixel density of 396 pixels per inch. The content therefore appears completely sharp. In addition, the screen provides an exceptional smooth image with a refresh rate of 120 Hz. This feature is rarity to found on the rugged smartphones and it's great added value. And if you want to give up a smooth display in favor of battery life, although in my opinion there is no need because the battery is huge, you can also switch to 90 Hz or 60 Hz refresh rate in the settings. This IPS panel produces rich vibrant colors and crystal clear content reproduction. While it may not be as powerful as OLED screen, it still provides exceptional quality. The screen is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection, which ensures clear visibility in all lighting conditions as well as outside in the strong sunlight. And I really have to say that this is one of the brightest screens I've used, so if you are often out in the sun, the smartphone with this display is what you need. Video content that you will watch on YouTube or the other services will be a real pleasure, as well as browsing web pages. The refresh rate of 120 Hz is a real feast for your tired eyes. So the gaming experience will also be improved by this fast responsible screen. Now let's go from behind. The IPS screen on the back is excellent. It has a good brightness that can be adjusted in 8 levels. Yes, it can be light up from 50 seconds to always on, everything according to wishes and needs. The screen can be activated by pressing the button on the side. A tap to wake function directly on the screen would be useful here, but it is what it is. After the screen wakes up, it first shows the selected watch face. If you then swipe right once, you get the playback controls for the music player, which can be selected, pause, playback and fast forward or rewind songs. By swiping to the left, you get the compass. If you then swipe again, you will get the camera symbol displayed. If you click on this, you get the preview of the camera and you can take photos. You can also switch to the selfie camera and view the photos you've taken. You have as many of 20 really great watch faces which you can choose through this small screen or directly in the smartphone options. On both the left and right sides of this small screen you will find 3 impressive cameras. First, a top of the line 180 megapixel sensor, followed by the main camera capable of capturing videos in stunning 4K resolution. Additionally, there is a 5 megapixel macro lens for those special close-up moments, allowing you to capture all details with precision. One standout feature is powerful infrared night vision function equipped with the 20 megapixel lens that offers remarkable clear vision in low light environments. The adjustable infrared intensity ensures a sharper view even in pitch black conditions. This feature provides invaluable for nighttime activities like camping and observing nocturnal wildlife. Not to mention too much, to get a feel for the camera performance, is the best to check sample photos and videos I took using the Oukitel WP30 Pro, so let's take a look. As you can see for yourself, the cameras on the Oukitel WP30 Pro surpasses expectations for a robust smartphone providing impressive image quality. Let's say a few words about the performance of the phone. The WP30 Pro is powered by the Dimensity 8050 chipset and has 12GB of RAM and a large 512GB onboard storage. But that's not all. The 12GB of RAM can be upgraded with additional 12GB of virtual RAM, so that this smartphone gives up a total of 24GB of working memory if we need it. The phone truly delivers exceptional performance in this phone segment, surpassing the capabilities of other smartphones in its category. The Dimensity 8050 is a special design by MediaTek for this mid-range segment of 5G smartphones, featuring an octa-core CPU with the 4 performance ARM Cortex-A78 processors with peak speeds of 3 GHz and powerful 9-core GPU that chips offers supreme gaming with reliable fast FPS in top titles. For passionate gamers, this phone is something special. As it excels in the gaming, it effortlessly handles the most demanding games available on the Google Play Store, providing the top-notch performance even in the highest settings. Furthermore, the WP30 Pro houses a huge 11,000 mAh battery, guaranteeing hours and hours of uninterrupted gaming pleasure. So if you are a passionate gamer who enjoys playing the latest titles, purchasing the WP30 Pro is certainly a wise choice. It is a device worth considering for its exceptional performance and the gaming capabilities. You can also expect a rapid fast charging, and this huge battery with up to 120 watts charger can be charged from 0 to 50% in just 15 minutes. The WP30 Pro operates on the latest pure Android 13 operating system that delivers a clean and familiar using interface. It comes with the essential preloaded Google application, ensuring a seamless connection to the Google ecosystem. Additionally, it offers useful built-in applications like a System Manager Optimizer, FM radio, and a versatile toolbox that provides handy in various field situations. Notably, the WP30 Pro supports NFC, enabled compatibility with the Google Pay support, convenient mobile payments. It boasts dependable GPS system with support for 4 satellite networks. Furthermore, it's compatible with a wide range of global networks, including 5G and more, and even more offers the option of eSIM functionality. It is even necessary to mention that the WP30 Pro, with its impressive IP68 and IP69K rating, guarantees resistance to dust and water and grease, surviving submersion in water and depth up to 1.5 meters for up to 30 minutes. It becomes the ideal choice for various outdoor activities. Furthermore, having successfully met the rigorous military standard MIL-STD 810H, testing its durability in extreme temperatures and challenging environments further strengthens its reputation for robustness and reliability. In summary, the WP30 Pro is positioned as a flagship offering from this Chinese smartphone brand Oukitel. It boasts a large 6.78-inch 120Hz Full HD Plus display. It features a unique secondary screen on the back, accompanied by a trio of impressive cameras, a 180-megapixel primary, a 20-megapixel night vision, and a 5-megapixel macro lens. The rear screen serves multiple functions, displaying a compass, battery status, music controls, notifications, 180-megapixel camera, excellent Dimensity 8050 chipset capable of demanding gaming, support by up to 24 GB of RAM, and an ample 520 GB of storage, and it comes preloaded with the Android 13 5G connectivity and the eSIM compatibility. One of the standout features is the robust level of durability backed by the IP68, IP69K and MIL-STD 810H certifications. Additionally, the WP30 Pro boasts an astonishing 11,000 mAh battery with impressive 120-watt charging support, promising to reach 50% charge in just 15 minutes. Overall, the Oukitel WP30 Pro presents a complete combination of cutting-edge technology and rugged design for those seeking for high performance performance smartphone capable of withstanding demanding environments. If you are impressed by this unique look, great functions and capabilities of this WP30 Pro phone, and I know you are after this review, for official sales links are available below this video, so act quickly and get your brand new WP30 Pro today while the offer lasts. And what do you think about this impressive smartphone? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching and we'll see you soon in the next video review. Bye.